Hi, welcome to Rang Haveli. Here you'll find a little bit of Rajasthan in every corner. I've made this place with a lot of love and passion, and you will just love it here. When I first found out this place 2 years back, this was in complete shambles. But in my heart, I knew that this place had a lot of potential and I could turn this into something really special. So as you can see, we are in the living room of Rang Haveli. And here, I've tried to give a lot of traditional heritage Rajasthani vibes. You can see this side, there is this Pichwai artwork which has been hand painted on the walls by my sister and a local artisan. So Pichwai artwork you will see a lot around the Udaipur area because this art form is essentially, this has originated from Udaipur. And I've tried to give a lot of these Jarokha sitting arrangements here. You will see a lot of these in the palaces overall in Rajasthan and in the cafes. You will see a lot of exquisite artworks all over Rang Haveli. So one such piece is this Toran which is just behind me. So Toran is essentially, there's a tradition in Rajasthani wedding that whenever a groom, he reaches the door of the bride, there's a Toran mounted on the main door and he touches it with his sword. So this age-old tradition which has been going on for centuries. So in the earlier times, when the king used to reach the queen's palace, there used to be a Toran mounted on the wall. So because the king used to, arrive on an elephant and the door used to be humongous, the size of Toran again, it used to be huge. So that the one which is behind is one such piece. So in Amer Fort in Jaipur, you ride an elephant to reach the top of the fort. So taking inspiration from that, we have these elephant-inspired chairs here in Rang Haveli. So everything that you see here is all custom made. For example, this dining table, this bone inlay dining table, this is made up of ethically sourced camel bone, which is a very intricate kind of art form wherein the carved camel bones are embedded on wood to make a pattern and then it is filled with raisins. This art piece that we see here is called Kawad. Now Kawad in Rajasthani means door. Right, so this is a very intricate kind of art form which originates from a place called Bassi in Rajasthan. This typically is a handcrafted wooden shrine which looks like a temple and it is hand painted, which is generally the figures of gods and goddesses. And it opens up like a series of folding doors and each panel telling a special story. So you see this cute breakfast nook just beneath the staircase. I was just a little confused what to kind of make here. So I took a help of my illustrator friend Monica, who's based in Mumbai. So I told her that I want something unique. So what we did was we took the references of all the Udaipur attractions and she made that on a piece of paper with actual dimensions. And then the artist here in Udaipur just replicated the same on the walls. So if you see here, you will see all the Udaipur attractions just in one frame. Rang Haveli for me was a perfect blend of the two things that I love, food and hosting. So when you come here, you can expect amazing food and the warmth and love of Rajasthani hospitality. Rang Haveli has got 8 rooms and all 8 rooms are adorned in 8 different colors, hence the name Rang Haveli. Now this blue room highlights the Tikri art, which is an intricate glass inlay art of Udaipur. So here, small pieces of convex mirrors and colored glasses are cut, polished and arranged to form patterns. This red and white room depicts the miniature art of Udaipur. Now this art form is characterized by its fine brushwork using squirrel hair brushes, and the pigments used are derived from the minerals and plants. Now this room depicts the Pichwai art form which originated in Nadwara near Udaipur in the 17th century. This room has been hand painted in Phad art, which finds its origin in Bhilwara, Rajasthan. Now, Phad is a type of scroll painting which narrates elaborate religious stories of local deities.
As Rang Haveli is adjoining the city palace of Udaipur, the illuminated city palace creates a royal backdrop to the celebrations at Rang Haveli. From the Rang Haveli terrace, you can see the incredible view of fireworks of the entire Udaipur in the night sky. Whole Rang Haveli is lined up with numerous diyas and lights to create a warm festive glow. Rangolis, festive decors, fragrance of genda food, lip-smacking delicacies. Diwali at Rang Haveli is truly magical.
These days, minimalism is trending, but as you know, Rajasthan is all about maximalism. So there will be a lot of colors and patterns and textures. And having been born in Rajasthan myself, I have this natural inclination towards colors and vibrance. So I have put everything together in Rang Haveli, and you can say that it's just a representation of me. And when you come here, you will experience the same love and warmth that I grew up with and that Rajasthan has to offer.